375 million pounds of California avocados in 2025, the largest harvest since 2020. But at what cost? Americans eat 8 million pounds of guacamole on Super Bowl Sunday alone. The avocado is now king. Each avocado requires 67 liters of water. Multiply by 375 million pounds, that's 25 billion liters per season. Mexico exports 2.5 billion pounds annually. California fights for market share with premium quality and higher costs. 3,000 California growers, 55,000 acres, 5 counties, one crop that defines an entire region. No machines, no shaking. Every single avocado is picked by hand, one at a time, from 30-foot ladders. The moment the stem is cut, the avocado's 4-day clock to the packing house begins. No delays. Keep them coming. Pallet 3 is ready. Push it in straight.
Watch the corner.
2 minutes left. California avocados command premium prices, but every $2 fruit hides $1.50 in production costs. This is not farming. This is warfare against drought, labor shortages, imports, and the biological clock. Avocados demand well-draining soil with pH between 6.0 and 6.5. Most California hillsides fail the test. 6 to 24 months before planting, growers chemically rewrite the soil. Lime raises pH, sulfur lowers it. Avocado roots drown in standing water. Every orchard must be engineered for perfect drainage. Ventura and San Diego counties are hillside country. Terracing turns impossible slopes into productive orchards. Organic matter is injected deep into the root zone. Avocados need nutrients 2 feet down. Soil-borne pathogens can destroy an orchard. Pre-plant fumigation sterilizes the battlefield before the first tree. Every nutrient is measured and mapped. Avocados are heavy feeders. They strip the soil of potassium. All right, bring it up slightly.
Got it. Now guide it in.
Push from your end, straight on. Drip irrigation demands pristine water. Every drop passes through sand filters before reaching the trees. Real-time weather data drives every decision. Frost, heat, wind, the orchard is always watching. Every tree has a GPS coordinate. Precision agriculture begins before the first hole is dug. Each hole is 3 feet deep, 2 feet wide. 100 holes per acre. 5 million holes per season. Mycorrhizal fungi are planted with every tree. They extend the root system, unlocking water and nutrients. The water system is tested before any tree is planted. Failure is not an option. 12 to 24 months of preparation. The soil is conquered. The water is tamed. The orchard is ready. Every Hass avocado in California is a clone, genetically identical to a single mother tree discovered in 1926. In sterile labs, tiny bud tissues are cultured. One mother tree can produce millions of identical clones. Each tiny plantlet is a genetic copy. The gel provides all nutrients. Cloning is mass production. Rooting hormones trigger root development. In 4 weeks, clones become independent plants. Clones spend 6 months in greenhouses, hardening off, learning to survive outside the lab. Every commercial avocado tree is grafted, disease-resistant roots, perfect fruit above, the ultimate hybrid. Time for shipping. Bare root trees like these are lightweight and stackable.
Thousands can go on a single truck.
To orchards all across California.
Keep them coming.
Got it. Watch the roots. Nice and steady. Next row. First, water, the most important drink of a tree's life. Drip emitters deliver 2 gallons per hour.
Keep them aligned.
Good. Now secure this one.
Watch for the roots.
Next one. Within weeks, the clones show new growth. The graft is working. The orchard is alive. 5 years from planting to first commercial harvest. Patience is the most expensive input in avocado farming. California avocado water comes from Sierra snowmelt and ancient aquifers. Both are disappearing. Growers drill 1,000 feet deep to reach ancient groundwater. The water was here before the trees. Miles of mainline pipe carry water from the source to every tree. This is the orchard's circulatory system. Drip tape is buried 6 inches deep. Water goes directly to roots. No waste. No evaporation. Each emitter delivers exactly 2 gallons per hour. A single clogged emitter starves an entire tree. Precision irrigation requires precise pressure, 40 psi, no more, no less. The trees depend on it. One dashboard controls millions of gallons. Data drives every drop. This is farming by the numbers. The water flows. 25 billion liters across 55,000 acres. The orchard drinks. During drought, irrigation is rationed. Trees are stressed. Yield drops. Every drop is a battle. Water audits catch leaks and inefficiencies. In the avocado business, water is money. On-farm reservoirs store water for the dry months. 50 million gallons, the orchard's savings account. Every drop of water carries precisely measured nutrients.
That should do it.
Excellent. Precise measurements are crucial for fertigation efficiency. Avocados need pH 6.0 to 6.5. The sensor reads every 10 seconds. Acid is injected automatically. The EC meter measures nutrient strength. Too low, trees starve. Too high, roots burn. Precision is everything. Nitrogen drives leaf growth. Each tree receives 2 pounds of nitrogen per year. Zinc and boron are critical micronutrients. A deficiency causes leaf distortion and poor fruit set. Monthly leaf analysis tells growers what the trees are actually absorbing. Adjustments are immediate. Lab results in 48 hours. Red means deficiency. Green means optimal. The orchard is diagnosed. Foliar sprays deliver nutrients directly to leaves. Rapid absorption for rapid correction. Soil, leaves, water, weather, all data converges. The avocado orchard is a living data factory. Spring bloom. Each tree produces 1 million flowers. Only 200 will become avocados. Avocado flowers are bisexual but open twice. Female first, then male. They need cross-pollination. 1,000 hives per orchard. 20,000 bees per hive. 20 million bees arrive by truck. Hives are spaced 100 feet apart. Every tree must be within bee flight range. The bees are released. 20 million pollinators. The orchard hums with life. Bees transfer pollen from male phase flowers to female phase flowers. Cross-pollination is essential. The pollination window is just 2 weeks. Miss it, and the crop is lost. Rain during bloom washes away pollen. Cold temperatures stop bee activity. Weather is the enemy. One cold night can kill the entire crop. Frost fans run all night during bloom, mixing warm air to the blossoms. Successful pollination becomes fruit set. Tiny green buttons, each one a potential avocado. All right, that's the last pallet. Strap it down good.
Copy that, making sure they're secure for the long haul.
Engine's running. Let's roll out. Next stop, 500 acres.
We're on our way.
Pollination costs $200,000 per large orchard. Bees are rented. Nature has a price tag. Precision agricultural methods like mechanical hedging ensure sunlight reaches every avocado leaf, increasing yields and efficiency. Trees are topped at 20 feet. Taller means harder to pick. Productivity is measured in reach. Hand pruning opens the canopy. Light penetration drives flowering. Every cut has a purpose. Suckers steal energy from fruit production. They are removed by hand, every single one. Canopy density is measured with light meters. Too dense, no fruit. Too open, sunburn. Air blast sprayers coat every leaf. Pesticides, fungicides, and growth regulators, the chemical defense. Pest scouts walk every acre. They find the enemy before the enemy finds the orchard. Avocado mites are microscopic. They can defoliate an orchard in weeks. Constant vigilance. Anthracnose fungus attacks during wet weather. Fungicide applications are timed to the forecast. Visuals. Phytophthora root rot is the avocado's worst enemy. It lives in the soil. It never sleeps. Frost warning. 28 degrees. Get the crew here now. 50 frost fans running all night. Each one pulls warm air down from the inversion layer. Wind machines can raise orchard temperature by 5 degrees, enough to save the crop. Smudge pots and propane heaters create a thermal blanket. Fire against frost. Kaolin clay reflects UV rays. Sunburned fruit is unmarketable. The trees wear sunscreen. Months of defense. The canopy is ready. The fruit is growing. The harvest approaches. Avocados are harvested by dry matter. 22% minimum. Anything less won't ripen properly. The grower walks every block. The harvest decision is made tree by tree, day by day. Buenos días, ¿listos para empezar?
Sí, vamos a colocar las escaleras aquí.
Necesito una bolsa.
¿Alguien tiene tijeras?
Sí, aquí tienes unas. Buen provecho. Ladders up to 30 feet. Each placement is deliberate. A fall means injury or death. Each avocado is clipped individually. The stem must remain intact. No stem, no sale. Each bag holds 30 pounds. Pickers fill 50 bags per day. 1,500 pounds per worker. Pole pickers reach 14 feet above the head. The fruit drops into the bag, never touches the ground. Ground-touched avocados are lower grade. The best fruit never hits the dirt. Field bins hold 1,000 pounds. Each fruit is placed, not thrown. Bruising is the enemy. Forklifts shuttle full bins to the staging area. The harvest moves in waves. Harvested avocados go directly into shade. Sun heat accelerates ripening. The clock is ticking. Midday heat doesn't stop the harvest. Every hour of daylight is picking time. Good job, compadres. We're heading out.
Listo para el trabajo, gracias.
Watch the ladder, it's heavy.
Entendido, vamos a seguir.
The cooler temperatures mean less fruit stress, so the lights stay on.
All right, ready for another bin.
Night harvesting is essential for maintaining quality. Weekly harvest totals climb toward 375 million pounds. Every pound is a victory. Without H2A workers, many groves simply go unpicked. Labor is the harvest's weakest link. Buenos días, bienvenidos a la cosecha. Por favor, formen una línea y muestren su identificación. Necesito que todos firmen aquí para el entrenamiento. Size looks good, stem is clean. This one makes the cut.
Agreed.
Size determines price. 48s are the largest, premium fruit. 84s are small, juice grade. Field bins are loaded for the packing house. The 4-hour cooling clock starts now.
3 high. Tighten that down.
Heading out. The harvest convoy rolls out. 375 million pounds moving from tree to table. The harvest is complete. 375 million pounds picked by hand. The orchard rests until next year. The packing house receives 100,000 pounds per hour. The cold chain begins immediately. Field temperature, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The target, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature crash must happen in 4 hours. It's 85. Hydrocoolers blast fruit with 33 degrees Spin-hour water. Field heat is stripped in minutes. Forced air cooling pulls heat from the fruit's core. 4 hours to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Every minute counts. Core temperature, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The panic button is canceled. The fruit is safe. Cold storage holds 10 million pounds at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity at 85%. The fruit sleeps. Avocados are ethylene sensitive. They must be stored away from apples and bananas. Export avocados are cold stored for a minimum of 28 days. The cold chain must never break. Weekly quality audits ensure the cold chain is working. Any break reduces fruit quality. The cold chain is locked. The avocados are preserved. The global journey begins. Cold storage ends. The packing line begins. 50,000 avocados per hour start their journey. Water flumes move fruit without bruising. No drops, no impacts, gentle handling. California avocados are never washed. Water introduces pathogens. Dry brushing is the rule. Air blasts remove debris without water. The avocado is cleaned by wind. Every avocado is scanned for color, size, shape, and defects. 30 photos per second are captured by the camera array. AI identifies defects invisible to the human eye. The machine never gets tired. Air jets fire in milliseconds. Bad fruit is ejected. Only perfect avocados continue. Weight determines size grade. 48s, 60s, 70s, 84s. Each size has a market. Color sensors measure ripeness. Green for export. Slightly ripe for domestic. Every shade matters. Each one goes here, stem up.
Got it.
Perfect rows. Every carton is traceable. Grower, orchard, harvest date, and packing line, all on the label. Cartons are sealed and stacked. 20 pounds per carton. 50 cartons per pallet. Organic avocados are packed on a separate line. No cross-contamination. Premium prices. Every lot is sample tested. Dry matter, oil content, and taste must meet standards.
This batch's dry matter is high.
Excellent. Proceed to taste. The pallet is complete. 1,000 pounds of premium California avocados. Ready for the world. Not all avocados go fresh. Secondary processing handles fruit for frozen and processed products. FDA-mandated washing for processed avocados. Sanitizer solution. Strict temperature control. Mechanical peelers remove skin and pit. Only the green flesh continues. IQF, individual quick freezing. Minus 40 degrees Celsius flash freezes each piece in seconds. Frozen avocados are bagged in bulk, 50-pound bags for restaurants and food manufacturers. Frozen avocados stored at minus 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Shelf life, 2 years. The ultimate preservation. Frozen avocados ship globally. Guacamole, smoothies, and prepared foods, the hidden market. Scene 143, third-person documentary-style narration. Midnight departure. Refrigerated trucks carry fresh avocado. Interstate 5 carries California avocados to 48 states. 72 hours from tree to supermarket. Boeing 777 freighters fly avocados to Asia and Europe. 12 hours from packing house to foreign market. Trans-Pacific flight. California avocados in Tokyo supermarkets within 24 hours. Refrigerated shipping containers carry avocados to Europe. 30 days at sea. The cold chain holds. California avocados reach 30 countries. 375 million pounds, a global green army. The journey ends here. A California avocado in your hand. 375 million pounds, all picked by hand. Climate change, water scarcity, and labor shortages threaten the future. The avocado's war continues.